Emojis. If you are happy, smiley emojis. If you are sad, sad emojis. If you are surprised, surprising emojis. Wherever you see in WhatsApp chatting, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere you see emojis. And then you think that how we can easily post these type of emojis in any comment section or in YouTube comment section. Yes, you are listening right. And first of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for no more videos like this. And don't forget to emojis in my comment section if you learned how we can easily send emojis to any YouTube videos comments. So let's start and begin this tutorial. First of all, I'm gonna tell you on computer, if you are wishing to send any emojis, if you are happy with the video, happy emoji, if you are surprised, surprise emoji, and if you are sad, then sad emoji, and you can send easily. How you can do? So first of all, go to the comment section of the video. Over there, just click on the option button of your mouse, and after that you will see up top left option, up of the top option is called emoji, and from there you can easily send any emojis. And wait a while, I'm gonna tell you about this on mobile phone too, that how you can easily send emojis via your mobile phone. So what we have to do, first of all, open the your YouTube, and if you want to play any video, just play any video, and after that below over there is a comment section. Then go over there, and after that you can check out, there are GIF and a little emoji icon over there. You can tap on that, and if you want to use the recent used, go to these numbers option over there. So as you can check out this emoji icon, I'm gonna click on that, and below over there a huge list of the emojis over there. Choose on that, and from that you can check out how much good emojis are over here, and I'm gonna post. That's it. That's the process how we can easily post any emojis on YouTube comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon, and don't forget to comment your favorite emoji, or if you want to any kind of emoji, just post right.